Today we are going to replace this sticky pad in the Wondercide Flying Insect Trap. As you can see, it got some gnats. It also collected some pet hair. All you need to do is literally just pull it out like I just did. And then in this one, it comes with 4 sticky pages. And it says, pretty self-explanatory, peel both sides. Ooh, so sticky. Let's see that. Yeah. Then we're just gonna stick it in here. So, and it's literally that easy. And then you plug it in wherever you want it. I use these for maintenance. That was, to be honest, I haven't changed this in quite a while. So that was when I was actually dealing with a lot of fungus gnats, but we'll check in a week or so and see what the fungus gnat situation looks like.